A worker assigned to a work area approaches a machine to perform maintenance. However, carrying out this intervention without making sure that the equipment's energy has been completely shut off creates a serious risk. The machine is still capable of moving at any moment, and the possibility of it starting unexpectedly poses a major danger to the worker. Fortunately, in this incident, the worker managed to escape without serious injury. Before performing any maintenance or intervention on a machine, it must be ensured that all energy sources are fully disconnected. The lockout-tagout method, known as LOTO, is a critical safety step in preventing such risks. This industrial accident footage from a manufacturing facility serves as a critical warning regarding heavy machinery. While a worker stood near a storage area, an industrial vehicle carrying heavy coils struck and pinned them against a steel column due to obstructed visibility. This underscores the vital importance of established traffic control, such as defined pedestrian walkways and physical barriers to separate staff from active machinery zones. Operators must eliminate blind spots by maintaining a clear line of sight and using audible signals, while vehicles should feature strobe lights and proximity sensors. Furthermore, crush zone training is essential so employees can recognize dangerous pinch points. Safety is a shared responsibility. Never let a moment of distraction compromise well-being. The operator is driving an order picker down the warehouse aisle, but suddenly he loses control of the steering. The car passes and the automatic gate starts its closing cycle. The barrier comes down without warning, hitting one of the women as she passes underneath. When working on a scaffold, you must keep your weight centered. This worker leans way too far over the side while fixing the truck's tarp. His center of gravity shifts past his feet and takes a fall to the ground. Breaching the excavator's turning circle is a fundamental safety violation. The bucket carries massive force during a swing, and operators frequently contend with significant visual obstructions. Staying completely clear of this area is the only way to remain safe. This footage captures a critical safety incident at a manufacturing facility, where a worker's hand became caught in a pinch point between an active conveyor belt and the roller. The situation led to a rapid emergency response from co-workers who rushed to deactivate the machinery. This incident serves as a vital reminder to maintain constant situational awareness near moving parts, as a single moment of distraction can lead to serious consequences. To ensure workplace safety, employees must avoid loose clothing or jewelry, keep long hair tied back, and never place hands near dangerous mechanical gaps. It is essential to know the location of emergency stops and strictly follow all PPE requirements and safety signage. Safety is not just a policy, it is a commitment to protecting your future. This industrial accident footage from a manufacturing facility serves as a critical warning regarding heavy machinery. While a worker stood near a storage area, an industrial vehicle carrying heavy coils struck and pinned them against a steel column due to obstructed visibility. This underscores the vital importance of established traffic control, such as defined pedestrian walkways and physical barriers to separate staff from active machinery zones. Operators must eliminate blind spots by maintaining a clear line of sight and using audible signals, while vehicles should feature strobe lights and proximity sensors. Furthermore, crush zone training is essential so employees can recognize dangerous pinch points. Safety is a shared responsibility. Never let a moment of distraction compromise well-being. In a kitchen, a woman was preparing food, using a pressure cooker on the stove. At first, everything appeared normal as the cooking continued. After some time, however, the high pressure building inside the cooker suddenly released uncontrollably. The pressure cooker exploded unexpectedly, causing panic throughout the kitchen. In that moment, it became clear how powerful kitchen equipment that operates under high heat and pressure can be. When using pressure cookers, it is very important to follow safety rules. The cooker should never be filled beyond its capacity, and it must be ensured that the lid is properly secured. In addition, the gasket and pressure release valve should be checked regularly. This surveillance footage from Hebei, China, captures a startling freak accident that serves as a powerful reminder about the importance of safety and situational awareness. While cleaning the inside of a large metal industrial bin, a man's weight shifted, causing the container to tip over and trap him inside. The heavy lid snapped shut, leaving him stuck in a precarious position. Fortunately, his calls for help were heard by a passerby. With the quick thinking and assistance of neighbors, the man was safely freed and incredibly walked away, without any serious injuries. This incident highlights how quickly an everyday task can turn into a dangerous situation due to a simple oversight. It is a vital reminder to always assess the stability of your environment. Avoid working alone in confined spaces, and never underestimate the risks of large equipment. Stay safe and alert. In a delivery area, a worker unlocks the rear doors of a newly arrived truck to begin unloading. The truck has been backed into position and appears ready for unloading. From the outside, everything looks normal, and the workers expect the process to go smoothly. However, the cargo inside the truck has shifted during transport, and the boxes have leaned against the doors. When the worker opens the door without noticing this, the unstable load suddenly collapses outward. Heavy boxes quickly fall to the ground, creating a dangerous situation, and the worker who opened the door suddenly finds himself in front of the falling cargo. During long-distance transportation, cargo shifting is very common. Therefore, the condition of the load inside should always be considered before opening truck or container doors. All materials must be securely fastened with straps, stabilizers, and support equipment before transport. A worker is standing on top of heavy rolls loaded on a truck. He's pulling hard on a rope which breaks under the tension. He instantly loses his balance and falls down. In a busy warehouse, a team was moving a metal frame while a forklift operator began reversing to reposition. Due to poor coordination and visibility, the operator missed a worker entering their blind spot. The forklift's rear collided with the worker, pinning them against the frame. Nearby colleagues quickly signaled for a stop to assist. This preventable incident highlights key protocols. Operators must maintain a 360-degree view and use horns when reversing, while pedestrians must avoid no-go zones and maintain a safe 10-foot distance. Management should enforce clear floor markings and high-visibility gear to ensure safety. Ultimately, a single second of distraction can cause severe consequences. Workplace safety requires seamless coordination from the entire team. In a house, a man was standing on a ladder performing a small maintenance task on an electrical line. At first, everything seemed normal as he continued working. Suddenly, he touched a live wire. The electric current caused him to experience a sudden shock. The unexpected jolt made him lose his balance and fall from the ladder. What appeared to be a simple repair quickly turned into a dangerous situation. Before performing any electrical work, the power must always be completely shut off from the fuse box. Using insulated tools and reducing the risk of electrical contact are also very important for safety. When working at height, it is essential to make sure the ladder is stable and secure.